Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create drop-down lists in Google Sheets. We typically use drop-down lists to make selections, choose a status on a task or project, and much more. Creating drop-down boxes in Google Sheets is similar to creating them in Google Docs. Open Google Chrome, then click the waffle to the left of your profile picture and click Sheets. Open the list or create a list that you want to add the drop-down list to. Click in the column next to the first list item. On the toolbar at the top, click Insert, then click Drop-Down. In the Data Validation Rules box, select the range if you need drop-downs in more than one cell. And click OK. Under Criteria, make sure the drop-down list is set to drop-down. Click the Add Another Item 3 times to add 3 more options. Click the drop-down next to the gray circle and choose a color for each of the options. Different colors are preferred. Type the names of the options in the option text boxes. To delete an option, click the trash can next to the option. When you are done, click the Done button in the bottom right. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.